Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to enable showing taps and touches while we are recording our screen using our screen recorder in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to find this option? Of course we need to go to settings. Then we are looking for advanced features menu here, and it is in screens and screen recorder at the bottom of the list. Here by default it's turned off, but we can turn it on right here. That's it, no need to save. We can just back out to our home screen, and that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.